Shijiazhuang Hongdefa Machinery Company Limited is located in Shijiazhuang City, which is around 300 kilometers from China capital city Beijing. We are a professional manufacturer to produce complete set plant of wheat flour mill and maize milling machine. The capacity from 5T per 24H to 500T per 24H. We have established business relationships with more than 30 countries, like 500T per 24H milling machine installed in Ethiopia and South Africa, 200T per 24H milling machine in Brazil and Egypt, 150T per 24H milling machine installed in Zambia. We have a branch office in Johannesburg, South Africa, Kinshasa, RD Congo, and Lusaka, Zambia, and we have our agent in Brazil. Both our wheat flour mill and maize milling machine are complete line, including cleaning section, milling section, and packing section. The control system can be PLC control system, and the pipes can be stainless pipes. All depends on your needs and your local condition. For years' experience, especially in the maize milling field, we can design the maize milling machine according to different market needs. To make our machine can produce maize samp, maize rice, maize grits, super and special maize mill, maize fine flour to make fufu, ugali, nashima, sadza. We have maize milling machine and wheat flour mill in our factory. Sincerely welcome all of you to visit us.
We are wheat flour mill machine and maize milling machine supplier, which can meet your needs. Welcome all of you come to visit us.